methods of cooking pancakes. One is the pancake method that Larry is using, which is make your pancake, put your pancake on your plate, add a little syrup, and then take your fork, cut it a couple times, pile them on the fork, and then put them in your mouth. I prefer something a little different. I prefer make your pancakes with your vegetable sausage, pecans, blueberries, and the pile of pancakes. So there are benefits to eating the way I do. I like taking my time. Larry he's done. He's already gone to the bathroom. Me, well, it's a different scenario. That little stack is going to be gone soon. How to eat pancakes. Real big stack. Multi-grain. In my belly. Last bite. I'm done. Probably go pass out now. Highly recommended.